Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for the Leos. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Leos. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Message from the universe for Leos. Okay. So Leos, you are trying to balance something, or you are trying to take a decision over something which is very important for you, and you are just weighing the pros and cons basically, and which is obviously the very wise thing to do. You have the knowledge, you are wise enough because you have some sort of an experience from the past which has given you some sort of a you have the enough information and enough experience from the past, and you have the basic knowledge about this situation as to what should be done, and that is what you are using it to the benefit and trying to take a decision, weighing all the pros and cons. And this is something very very vital for you. It's something very very vital. It can be a decision which is perhaps going to make a major turn in your life, or major it's not something light, it's not something casual. That's what I'm trying to say. It's something very very important, and that is why you are giving it a hard look basically. You don't want to make that mistake again. Okay, you are using you are gathering all sort of information whatever is required, and you are using your intuition. You are you it's coming off as if you just don't want to make any mistake this time, and you are viewing each and every detail of the and trying to look at it at all the perspectives basically. Okay, so that's what you are doing. You're trying to balance the situation. You are trying to weigh the what your heart and mind says, whatever information you've gathered, but you want to look at it at every detail. That's what I'm trying to say. And it is a very beautiful thing and a wise thing to do. You are using a lot of intuition over here. You are using a lot of intuition over here, being alone sort of, and taking a small step. That's what I feel, and that is a wise thing, because what I am getting here is that there is some corner in your heart or in your mind, whatever, there is something within you which is giving you the impulse to move forward very fast. Okay, though you are trying to balance it, but at some corner of your self, what you feel is you want to rush in towards it with a lot of passion. Okay, you just want to make it happen. That is what is you're feeling inside, which you are trying to resist, sort of, and because you have gathered that wisdom that you shouldn't rush in towards anything. Okay, and that is obviously right. That's what, if you are doing it, you are doing the right thing. You don't have to rush in towards this situation or any situation, because the impulse is very very strong. It's getting very hard for you to resist yourself towards this person or towards this opportunity or towards this situation. You, at some part of your mind says everything is fine, I have thought about it enough, and it's okay, I should rush in, I want to get it at any cost. But no, you don't have to do that. Balance it very very wisely, because over here with the moon card, the path unknown is unknown. Whatever is coming ahead of you is totally unknown. You're oblivious to it. You really don't know what's going to happen. The things are still not very clear. Okay, so even if you have gathered enough information, even if you have looked at it from all the perspectives, still the guidance which is coming along is you have to go slow. You have to go slow. Okay, do not rush in, because definitely you may commit some mistake and then you may repent. Okay, so go slow, but trust your intuition. Trust your intuition, but take small steps. With the justice card over here, what I feel is there is some sort of truth which will come in with time. Whatever the situation is, some sort of truth, some sort of information will come in due course of time. So give yourself that time, wait for that time, so that you are able to get the clearer picture of the situation, whatever the situation is on which you are trying to make a decision. Okay, just wait, do not rush. Okay, and here with the Three of Pentacles and with the Devil, the only thing is coming is the truth will come into you, but still do not let anything from the past also hold you back. Okay, do not let, now this is the very vital decision. Again, it's coming off like that, that since it is a very vital decision, you have to balance. This is what you need to balance basically, that first of all you want to rush in towards this thing, that is the impulse which you have to surrender, or you have to give up that impulse, and you have to wait for the right time, because still perhaps it is not the right time to rush in. Wait for the things to get clear. With the Moon and the Justice, some truth will come in, or the truth may be good, I'm not saying it will be bad, but you will get a clearer picture, rather I should say. Some sort of information which perhaps still you don't have will come in. It can be good, it can be bad, but it will definitely help you to make this decision. So this is something which is very important. But again, one more thing is, still do not overthink about the situation, that you do not let anything from the past hold you back. Do not let anything because we have the Devil card here twice. From both the decks there is a Devil card. So do not let this decision go also, or don't let it just pass by, just because of the fact that you are getting too cautious, or you are getting too scared, or too sort of because you have those bad experiences, and you don't want to take that risk now. So don't let that also happen, and don't let the temptation also to overrule you. Okay, so this is the Knight of Wands. You want to rush in. So this is again that also can be the Devil energy. So it's pushing you to make that impulsive action which you are not supposed to do. So it's all about balance. Do not rush in, because this Devil can push you towards that temptation. Okay, no, you just rush in, just get it. You just want to get it. So it's all about balance. Balance the impulsiveness which this double Devil energy is giving you, and balance the fact that whatever has been happened in the past, you have to let it go and take a wise decision. Okay, so do not let the past hold you back, and do not be impulsive also. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's all about a balanced decision, and that's what you are doing. You are doing it, but still be cautious. Just wait for the right time. Just wait for the right moment when you have the clearer picture. Okay, because things are still not clear with the Moon card. You will get some more details with time. With the time, just wait for the right time. The new beginning. You are at the beginning of a wonderful journey. There is no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you at every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world if you just free yourself from what holds you back. So that's what I'm saying. Do not let this Devil energy hold you back also from this new beginning, if this decision is involving some sort of a new beginning. But do not let it become a temptation to move too fast. Okay, new opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe. So the opportunity will present itself in due course of time. Okay, so wait. Number 17 or number 8 may be of some significance for you. Number 8 is a karmic number. So again, what I feel is it is destiny. Wait for the right time. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. So that is what I'm saying. Have patience. Give time to this situation. It will unfold itself gradually. That's what I'm saying. The truth will come. The truth can be good or bad, whatever it is, but things will become clear with due course of time. Things will unfold gradually. So I think you need to give it more time. You need to give it more time to this particular decision, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so I hope it helps, and please subscribe for my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.